how to transfer money from Scotiabank to RBC. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from Scotiabank to RBC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Scotiabank app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on Move Money, then tap on Interact e-transfer. After that, just enter the account from which you want to transfer and enter the account number of RBC Bank in two sections and then enter the amount as well. After filling in all these credentials, just review your transaction and slide the bar to send and your money will be transferred. So that's how you can transfer money from Scotiabank to RBC. That's all for this video.